Well, it's been about a week since we first reported on a confirmed case of the mumps at a Bozeman elementary school.
MTN's Patrice Parks has an update on what the Bozeman School District and Health Department are doing to ensure the disease doesn't spread any further.
Gallatin City County health officials and the school district are working together to stop the spread of mumps. After one case was confirmed by a lab test at Morningstar Elementary School, 4 other cases affiliated with the school have been diagnosed but have not been confirmed by lab tests. The incubation period can last about 2 to 3 weeks. One telltale sign is swelling of the face along the jawline. Other symptoms may include fever, fatigue, and a headache. Matt Kelly is the health officer with the Gallatin City County Health Department. He says his department is doing all it can to protect students and stop the spread of illness. Officials are working with parents of unvaccinated children on a case-by-case basis.
One of those options that the Centers for Disease Control puts out there is children can get a vaccine and they can go back to school, especially if they haven't had a lot of interaction with a case patient. So that's one option. Another option that some parents may choose is to not get the vaccine even after they know mumps is in the school. In that case, we are asking parents, and I'm using my authority as health officer to ask parents to keep their kids home from school, not as punishment, but really as a way to protect those kids and protect from the spread of the disease in the school. We have kids in every school or most schools that might have medical conditions that make their immune systems pretty fragile, and it's our responsibility to think about those kids as well.
A letter was sent out to parents of students at Morningstar Elementary School to assure them the district is doing all it can to keep students safe. Superintendent of Schools Dr. Rob Watson says only about 3.5% of students in Bozeman schools are unvaccinated.
Students that are fully vaccinated are going to be fine in that environment. I don't see any problems with that. It's no different than, you know, taking your child to the grocery store or to a movie theater. There's going to be folks there that, you know, may be sick, or maybe they haven't been vaccinated, but that happens, and that's I feel comfortable saying that students that are attending school right now are safe.
In Bozeman, Patrice Parks, MTN News.
Federal law prohibits school and health officials from saying whether or not the student with the confirmed case of mumps is vaccinated.